What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Xillerated channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. But anyways, let me give you guys a quick overview before I start adjusting my short shifter adapter. Pretty much, if you guys are new to the channel, here is what I've done to the car. I actually had to remove the stock legend lip with the stock lip, got the eyebrows back on, did the DIY clears. This is a H22 JDM engine, and what I've done so far is the timing, adjusted the belt, changed the spark plugs, added the DC. I do got power steering and AC. AC only works when moving because of, I believe it's the light and flywheel. There is a new flywheel in there, aftermarket. I don't know, previous owner did that. I added the Wells visor, and recently I just tinted the car, but it just started to bubble in areas after sitting outside for a couple of days and got bubbles here. That's why here's the sticker. I think this is the first time you guys are seeing the rear of the car, but yeah, those have bubbles, so I use that to go up. And if you guys are new to the channel, yo, pick up some Xillerated stickers right here to help support the build. But yeah, that's what I got. If you guys want any of these stickers up here, let me know in the comment down below, and I'll message you guys for infos on that. But yeah, the rear window, I had to do that slap because it was bubbling everywhere on the rear. I did use eBay tint. I did it myself. Could have done it, went well, as you could see, but then leaving it out in the sun, somehow I managed it to bubble up. I made it clear and everything. It just so odd. I left it out and everything. So what I'm gonna do now is get a sunroof visor, rear window visor, and then probably look for the OEM spoiler, but not too sure yet. And I definitely need to replace my windshield because I got a big crack on the driver's side. Anyways, that's the quick update for you guys that I've done so far. Now let's just go straight to adjusting the short shifter adapter. I'm just making a quick video. This is going to be really short because I haven't uploaded in a couple days. I'm trying to get back into my routine Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, but so far I'm probably just going to upload whenever I can. So I hope you guys don't mind that and stick around for the build because this is definitely going to go places, and I hope you guys are sticking around to see it. So let's go straight to it. You guys probably already seen this in the previous video. To take out the center console, you got to remove this plastic cover that's in here with a flat head. Pop it up. Got two screws right here down in the center. Pop off the cup holder, and you got the two right there. So that's how you remove this piece right here. Well, rewind, guys. It's actually just that screw right there that you have to remove, not those two. Basically, just that. So what you want to do after that, just pretty much just pull right up, get it over the e-brake, and yep, that's how you get your center console off. After that, to get to under your shifter, remove the two screws on the sides. Don't be like probably the previous owner did, but try to pop it off, and then it cracks the little edge right here. I actually had to super glue, epoxy glue this together again, so now it's one solid piece. But I'm waiting to get some vinyl wrap to wrap this whole entire piece right here because it's ugly. Okay, once you guys got that removed, don't forget about your hazard clip, clock, and if you guys got fog, that fog light clip as well. Then, of course, you got your cigarette lighter, but I usually just push mine to the side like that. I don't do nothing else. Pretty much, this is what I'm adjusting today. It is loose. So every time I'm shifting, let me see if I can get that. See, it's just play. This adapter is not holding in place, and it sucks because I've screwed this down so many times and it's just not work. If you guys got this as well and have this issue, what did you guys do to solve this problem? Because I'm about to just zip tie this whole thing straight onto this because I have no other way, unless I could probably find weld this together, which I most likely will in the future, but not right now because I gotta go somewhere later. But this just sucks that this comes loose all the time. So I went for the zip tie solution because I tried unscrewing and screwing back the little hex pin I got right here, but it is not holding it in place. So basically I zip tied the top of the base, then I looped another zip tie around here where the pin is holding it in place, and of course this is holding it or squeezing this together. And as you can see, there's no play now, it's all one motion. So that's fixed temporarily because I don't want this. I'm most likely gonna find a way to get a hybrid racing shifter and everything, but for now this works. That's my solution to fixing a sloppy shifter adapter, which is working perfectly. I mean, who's gonna look under this anyway and know there's a zip ties unless you don't have the shift boot, and unless you're watching my YouTube and you notice, of course. But yeah, so that's done. I'm gonna put this all back together. Okay guys, I got everything put back together. Shifter works nicely now. No more play. It doesn't give it that ugly sound like something is loose. It's all nicely done. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, here's the interior. It got you guys can't really see. It got converted to gray. I want to change the lighting to LEDs because this is a little warm. But yeah, it used to be tan, as you could see from the previous owner. He spray painted the headliner. I did add this map light, so when I open my door, it turns on the light, and if it turns on this light as well as the rear. But if I press this, it turns on all the light as well. Well, besides the passenger, but the rear as well. So it's a little easier for me to turn on lights if I need it. But yeah, so I got a dash cam right here. If you guys haven't seen it before, I just plugged it in real quick, see if it turns on. There you go. So it records the front and the rear camera right there, which is also touch, so you can see the rear, which I like. It really helps out a lot. Doesn't kill the battery or nothing. And I do got a chip P28 now, so I'll be removing this, but I probably won't because I like how it shows the pressure reading, the revs, and throttle positioning, so it's more accurate to see what rev I'm at compared to just an analog dash and everything. Got an energy quick release as well as a energy lock. Then you guys saw the short shifter adapter. This is the EX model, so I do got a sunroof. Yeah, I think that's so far for the interior that I got. Don't know what I'm gonna do to the interior yet, but I'll most likely do something to it, just not sure yet. Anyways, if you guys liked the video, even though it was short, sorry about that, but please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay tuned to all the videos I'm going to be uploading. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, do what you love, and stay excited. Don't forget to purchase your Xillerated sticker down below. Peace out.